Welcome students to the chapter Introduction to Trigonometry. In the slide you see the trigonometry reference angle chart. Trigonometry is based on right angled triangles. There are three pictures with reference angle A, B and C. Now base and perpendicular will change according to the reference angle, but the hypotenuse will remain constant. For reference angle A, perpendicular is BC and base is AB. For reference angle B, perpendicular is BC and base is AB. For reference angle C, base is BC and perpendicular is AB. Hypotenuse in all these cases will be the same. Now coming to sin A, sin B and sin C. Sine is given by perpendicular by hypotenuse, cosine is given by base by hypotenuse, tangent is given by perpendicular by base, cotangent is given by base by perpendicular, cosecant is given by hypotenuse by perpendicular, secant is given by hypotenuse by base. The ratios being with reference to the picture. Now perpendicular by hypotenuse, sin A is BC by AC, sin B is also BC by AC. Sin C changes to AB by AC. Similarly, cos A is AB by AC. Cos B is AB by AC. Cos C is BC by AC. Then tan A is BC by AB. Tan B is BC by AB. Tan C is AB by BC. Then cot A and cot B both are AB by BC. And cot C is BC by AB. Then cosecant A and cosecant B both are AC by BC. Cosecant C is AC by AB. Secant A and secant B are AC by AB and secant C is AC by BC. Now the reciprocals of sin theta, cos theta, tan theta are given as 1 by sin theta is cosec theta, 1 by cos theta is sec theta, 1 by tan theta is cot theta. Then the equations are sin squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1, and then the corollaries therein are 1 minus sin squared theta is equal to cos squared theta, 1 minus cos squared theta is equal to sin squared theta. Also, sec squared theta minus tan squared theta is equal to 1. Therefore, the corollary is 1 plus tan squared theta is equal to sec squared theta minus 1 is equal to tan squared theta. Now cosec squared theta minus cot squared theta is 1. Then 1 plus cot squared theta is cosec squared theta. Then cosec squared theta minus 1 is equal to cot squared theta. If you remember one equation, you can derive the corollaries by yourself. Now the trigonometric ratios in the next slide is remembered as the ratio of square root of 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4 and 4 by 4. Now sin 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 is given as the square root of ratios of 0 by 4, 1 by 4, square root of 2 by 4, square root of 3 by 4 and square root of 4 by 4 as explained in the chart. The ratios of cos theta are in the reverse order. 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. Then tangent is sin theta by cos theta. Cotangent is cos theta by sin theta, cosec theta is 1 by sin theta, sec theta is 1 by cos theta. Accordingly, the ratios are derived. 1 by 0 is undefined and 1 by infinity is equal to 0. The next chart is about complementary angles. Now sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. That gives sin 90 minus 30, that is 60, is equal to cos 30. You can check the ratios. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. Therefore, cos 90 minus 45 is cos 45 is equal to sin 45. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Tan 90 minus 30, that is tan 60, is equal to cot 30. Cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta. Then cosec 90 minus 60, cosec 30 is equal to sec 60. Sec 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta. Therefore, sec 90 minus 45, sec 45 is equal to cosec 45. Cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. Therefore, cot 90 minus 30 cot 60 is equal to tan 30. You can check the ratios and then remember these ratios thoroughly well when you attempt the problems.